Welcome back to our new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you disconnect earphones in Realme phone. So you want to disconnect your earphones in Realme phone, so guys you can disconnect it. In this video guys we are going to talk about how to disconnect earphones in Realme phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now time to start video. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on Bluetooth setting. Click here. Now you want to disconnect your earphones. So guys press it and guys you can see disconnect option. So guys click on disconnect. So guys your earphone will disconnect guys, and off your earphones. So I hope friends we have understood how to disconnect earphone in Realme phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.